Let's make a pie. Peanut butter pie. This does not have to be baked. It's a refrigerator pie. And I bought a chocolate pie crust at the store. If you don't want to buy one of those, I'll tell you how to make one in the description. We're going to use some whipping cream and some homemade vanilla extract and peanut butter, a little bit of salt, cream cheese, brown sugar, and let's get started. Here I have 1 1/4 cups of the heavy cream, the whipping cream, and I'm going to whip this up. Well, I have that whipped cream whipped up. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and we'll start on the cream cheese part. The cream cheese has been sitting out for at least 3 hours to warm up so that it's not hard and it's nice and soft. So it'll mix up very nicely. It's an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And then 1 1/2 cups of peanut butter, which is almost the whole jar, almost the whole 18-ounce jar. Put that in there. And 2/3 cup brown sugar, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll get this mixed up. I have the peanut butter and cream cheese all mixed up. Now we're going to add the whipped cream. Everything is room temperature, except of course the whipped cream was cold before whipping. And so we're going to stir this cold whipped cream in there. There, I have most of it in there. I'll get the rest in there a little bit later and start mixing here. I have the rest of the whipped cream in there and we will mix this in. I'm not all that worried about deflating the whipped cream. It still makes it very nice and light. Even if you deflate it as much as I have, it's still going to be so good. I mean, really good. I have the filling in the pie. Put this in your refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight, and it'll firm up a little bit. The pie's been in the oven or the refrigerator overnight. Now there's different, you can serve this as is or you can decorate it different ways. And I am going to use some Cool Whip because I'm very low on cream. Right, you can make your own whipped cream if you want, but I'm going to put some Cool Whip on top. And then I'm going to dust it with some cocoa powder. Let's try a bite. Let's try a bite here. Mmm. Now you're gonna love this. Man, that's good. So creamy, peanut buttery, not too much sugar. It's wonderful. I dare you to try it. Thank you so much for watching.